By default, if you open up F-Droid and search for Bitwarden, you won't get any results. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Bitwarden through F-Droid. So what you want to do first is open up your browser and then head over to the Bitwarden website. It's bitwarden.com. When you get here, tap on the three lines up here. Next, tap Downloads. So when this page opens, scroll down till you get to this option, More Mobile Options. So does Bitwarden have an F-Droid app? Just tap this. You'll get to see a QR code, but don't worry about it. Over here where you see this URL, just long press it. It's going to select all the text. You won't be able to see all of the text unless you're using a PC. After selecting all the text, tap Copy. Then head back to F-Droid. So on F-Droid, what you want to do is come down here to Settings. Tap Repositories. Tap this plus button down here. Then tap this Enter Repository URL manually. So here you're going to paste the address you copied and then tap Add. So just give it some time to get the repository. So you can see it has found the Bitwarden F-Droid repository. So just tap Add. That's it. So now if you want, you can install Bitwarden through F-Droid. So I'm just going to go back and then I'll do a search for Bitwarden. So now you see there's the Bitwarden stable version and there's the beta version. So I can tap here, and if I had not installed it, then I'll have the install button over here. So that's how you install Bitwarden through F-Droid. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.